Hello everyone, this is me, Ma'am Shawie Vlog, and flexing to the government center of the Pitan City. This serves as the heart of local governance and public service in the city. It houses the key offices of the city government of the Pitan, including the office of the city mayor, city councilors, and various departments that oversee the city's development, administration, and public welfare. Strategically located within the city proper, the government center symbolizes the Pitan's commitment to transparent, efficient, and people centered governance. Surrounded by significant cultural and historical landmarks, it stands not only as a hub for civic administration but also as a reflection of the Pitan's rich heritage and progressive vision for the future. So again, this is the Pitan City Government Center.